In this video, I am going to teach you how to make Nigerian fried rice.
These cooking videos were made without cooking, without a camera, and without even a kitchen, and they are currently going viral now on all social media platforms. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to create AI cooking videos that people can't stop watching.
It's ready. Stir fry all the vegetables. So we're going to add the fried veggies to the rice.
Now you are going to go over to ChatGPT. Once you get to ChatGPT, first thing you need to do if you want to create a cooking AI video is to generate your image prompts, because you are going to be needing that image prompt for your video or to create your video. So we are going to take ChatGPT to generate image prompt for our cooking video. Now this is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Generate image prompt for my cooking video in a modern Nigerian all-white cabinet. All-white kitchen cabinet. I am wearing a pink shirt. So you are going to tell ChatGPT exactly what you are wearing, because you want it to look real. Though it's not real, you want it to look real. So I am wearing a pink shirt, a pink short jean. That's what I wanted to write. A pink short jean and a white polo with a short bone straight hair. The ingredients like carrots, green beans, onions, cabbage, green bell peppers, all diced, fresh chicken thighs, and raw rice are arranged in a glass bowl according to their sizes. So I'm going to send this to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT wanted to generate image for me. So I told ChatGPT I don't want image. I want it to just generate the prompt that I will use to generate my image. Now I'm just going to copy all these prompts. Copy it one at a time. Now make sure you read all these prompts to be sure that ChatGPT gave you the right prompt that you want. Then once you are done with this, all you just have to do is to go over to Gemini AI. Just go over to Gemini. Now once you get to Gemini, so you're going to, so this depends on what you want to do. I want it to use my picture. So if you just want to, maybe you don't want it to use your picture, you can just paste it like that. It's going to give you a picture, but I want it to look very real and I want to use my picture. So I'm going to look for my picture. Now this is my picture. I'm going to click on my picture. Then the first thing I will write here is using this picture as a reference. Create a picture of me. So you need to make sure you write that. Create a picture of me now before you start pasting everything that you copied. So like I said, read them to make sure that ChatGPT did not give you a wrong thing. Sometimes I even prefer to write the prompt myself. So I'm just going to read the prompt well, then I'm going to send it to Gemini. I'm just going to let Gemini create the picture for me. Now Gemini just created a picture for us, so I'm just going to save this picture. Now I need to start creating more pictures. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to type the next thing. I'm going to say, so this is the easy way I use. You can tell ChatGPT to help you create different picture scenes that you'll be using. So now you are going to start creating the different pictures that we are going to be using for the videos. Now I gave you the first prompt and I said, using the above picture as reference, I added the chicken inside the empty pot of cast iron. So I'm going to send this to to Gemini to give me a picture. So we're just going to let it load. Now it creates a picture for me where I was adding the chicken to the pot. Now the next prompt I'm going to give it is, create a picture of me adding seasonings like curry and chicken cubes to the pot of fresh chicken. So you have to write it like this so that it will not generate any nonsense for you. Now you're just going to send that, then you're going to let it generate a picture for you. Now you see it has generated it. Now all you are just going to tell it, because you notice that the chicken is still on the table, so you are going to tell it to remove the chicken on the table from the scene. Remove the chicken on the table from the scene. So you have to do all this to make it true. You know it's AI, so sometimes it can generate anything for you. Now you are going to send it so that it will remove that chicken from the scene, because you have already added the chicken to the pot, but it's still showing on the scene. So you see it has removed the chicken from the scene. So you are just going to save it. So the next thing you are going to do is you can just tell it to add any other ingredients for you. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just going to go over to the point where the chicken is cooked. Tell it to generate, using the above picture as reference, generate a picture of me opening the pot with properly cooked chicken. The picture should be looking directly inside the pot. So I want the picture to be looking, oh sorry, I did not finish it. Okay, let's just see what it's going to generate for us. Now this is what it generates for us. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to fry the chicken. So for this video to be too long, this is how you just follow the steps. This is how you follow the steps. So I'm just going to create all the remaining pictures before we go over to creating the videos. Now once we are done creating all these pictures, once we are done creating all our pictures, we are just going to go over to Grok to turn them into videos. Now once you get to Grok, all you just have to do is to click on create videos. Then you are going to start from the first picture. Now this was the first picture here. So we are going to click on the first picture. Now we are going to click on video, then custom. Click on custom video. Then we are going to type exactly what we want her to be saying. So this is where you need to be very careful. So I'm just going to say, she says in a Nigerian female voice, in this video I am going to teach you how to make Nigerian fried rice. Now I'm just going to come over here and say she should be making hand gestures. So I'm just going to send this and let it create the video for me.
In this video, I am going to teach you how to make Nigerian fried rice. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make Nigerian fried rice.
Now once you are done, you're just going to click on this download button, then you're going to download it. So you're going to bring back the other picture. Make sure you follow them accordingly, like the way it is, so that you don't miss it. Now the next thing is when she was adding chicken to the pot. So I'm just going to bring that picture, then I'm going to write, she says add seasonings to your chicken. So your chicken, don't forget to add in a Nigerian female voice, depending on the country you are in a Nigerian female voice. So I'm in Nigeria and I want it to speak to have that Nigerian voice. I don't want it to give me a different kind of voice.
Seasonings to your chicken.
So you see how it is. So this place where it was carrying carrot, it's AI. So when we are editing, we are going to cut out that part. So we are going to download it. So this is how you are going to create all the pictures to videos one by one. So we are just going to download this and I'm going to create the rest pictures. Now once you are done creating all the videos with Grok, you're just going to go over to Wink. Now we are going to be using Wink to join all the videos together. Then we are going to also be using it for the editing part, like the parts where it's not good, it's AI. So we are going to be cutting out those parts. Once you get to Wink, just click on new, log in, or you sign up if you don't have an account. Now you're just going to be selecting all the videos, like all the videos you are going to be using, all the videos you created with Grok. So you're just going to be selecting them one after the other. See how it is before you know the next thing to do. Now the part where it's not good, like where it was not doing what you wanted it to do, you're just going to cut out that part. So that's basically how you're going to edit all the parts of the video. Now once you are done editing the video, then you are going to play the video, then make sure that it is exactly what you want. Then you can now post it on any of your social media accounts. Don't forget to save it. So save it so that it will enter into your photos or your gallery. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and like. I'm going to see you in my next one.